Good morning, children. It's our English language class. I hope I'm audible to everybody. Yes. In this class, we are going to study a new chapter in English language, that is number. Numbers means singular and plural. When we talk about any noun or anything in a singular form or in one form, it is known as singular. And when we talk about many things, more than one, then it is known as plural. All right. So now we are going to study chapter 6, open page number 24. Can you see a yellow box down the page where the definition of singular and plural is given? All of you open page number 24 and see the yellow box given at the bottom of the page. The definition of singular says, when a noun stands for one person, animal or thing, we say that it is in the singular. When we talk about one person, one animal or any one thing, then it is known as singular. And when we talk about more than one person, more than one animal, more than one thing, then it is known as plural. All right. Why so many mics are on? Why so many mics are on? All right. So these two definition, yes. Because mics were on, beta. Now you will be able to hear me. Now am I audible? Now is it okay? Okay. So the this definition we are going to write. In your copies, you have to write this definition. All right. When a noun stands for one person, animal or thing, we say that it is in singular. And when a noun stands for more than one person or thing or animal, we say it a plural. Is it clear? First, you are going to put the heading number on a fresh page. Then you are going to write both these definitions. Clear? Now we are going to do exercise of this chapter. Open page 27 and keep pencils in your hand. Open page 27 and keep pencils in your hand. What the exercise A is saying? Exercise A is saying write the plural of these nouns. Few names are given, few nouns are given. Noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. So few nouns are given here and we have to write the plural of that. All right. So first is tooth. Plural of tooth is teeth. Write their teeth in front of tooth. Write their teeth. Number 2, church. It will become churches. Churches. I hope spelling is clear to you. You have to add only es. Children, mute your mics, please. Then loaf will become loaves. 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 Then knife will become knives. 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 Company will become companies. Plural of company will be companies. 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 Pitch will become pitches. Pitches. You have to add only es in front of the pitch. Then next, shelf. Shelf will turn into shelves. Ves. Shelves. Shelves. Write fast, children. Foot will become feet. Foot will become feet. Leaf will become Leaves. 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 Yes. It is very easy exercise. You all can do. Tomatoes. Tomato will become tomatoes. You have to add es after o. The next, child. No, sheep. Sheep. Sheep always remain sheep. No, no s. No s in sheep. Sheep. Yes, we don't change into s. It remains same. Sheep remains same in plural. Then child. Child will become children. Child will become children. Poppy will become poppies. 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 Yes, ies. Poppies. Woman will become women. 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 We pronounce it as women. Strawberry. Strawberry will become strawberries. Strawberries. We will remove y. We will remove y and we are going to write there ies. Key will become keys. Yes, only you have to add s there. Person will become people. Person will become people. Calf. Calf will become calves. 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 Ox. Plural of ox. Oxen. 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 Yes, very good. Oxen. Oxen. Plural of goose. Geese. 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 I will give you the PDF. Those who have missed anything, no need to worry. You can do it later. If you have not written anything, leave that and write what I am dictating right now. Elf will become elves. 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 Yes. Huda. Where are your earphones? You need to put your earphones, beta. How you will hear like that? Okay, children, mute your mics. Then aircraft will remain same. Aircraft will remain aircraft only. Okay. The next, daisy. Daisy will become daisies. Daises. Daisies. Okay. The next, match will become matches. 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 City will become cities. 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 Yes. Then house. The last word is house. No, the last word is radio. Radio. Radio will become radios. In some books it is given house, in some books it is given radio. So you do accordingly whatever is given in your book. Doesn't matter. Okay? Alright. What happened? What you are saying? Now come back on page number 24. Radios. Radio will become radios. Plural. Yes. Come back on page number 24. Now, since now you know how to make the plural of any word, you will be able to write it in a sentence form also. So on page number 24, the question says, rewrite these sentences after correcting the errors in the use of plural. Mute your mics, all of you. I am not going to repeat this instruction now. Yes. Rewrite these sentences after correcting the errors in the plural forms. Now, one sentence is given to you, and in this sentence, one mistake is there. That is, in the use of plural, one mistake is there. You have to find out that mistake and then you have to rewrite the whole sentence. Okay. For example, the first one, look at the first sentence. I brush my tooths twice a day. So is tooth the correct plural? Teeth. Yes, teeth is the correct plural. So underline tooths and write their teeth. Now listen to the instruction. Mute your mic and listen to me. Hania and Agam, mute your mic. Shirish, mute your mic. Okay, so here what you have to do is, Shirish, mute your mic. Okay, so right now the mistakes which are given in these sentences, you are going to underline and write the correct word. Whole sentence you are going to do it later. Because if you are going to write all the sentences, we are going to exceed the time limit of the this study. Okay, this meeting we are going to exceed the time. So what you are going to do, you are going to just write the correct plural right now, underline the wrong word and write the correct plural right now, and later you can do it in the form of full sentences, complete sentences. All right, you have to do this exercise in your fair copies. So in the first sentence, tooth is a wrong word. Underline tooth and write their teeth. I brush my teeth. Now second, the thieves ran away with the loot. What is wrong here? Thieves spelling is wrong. Underline thieves and write the correct spelling. Thieves, thieves. Sorry, thieves, thieves. Thieves, thieves. Now third, many wolves were howling at night. Now spelling of wolves is wrong. Wolves, wolves. Wolves, wolves. Okay. Then next, there are many mouses in the attic. Do we write mouse in plural? Mouses? No. We write mice. There are many mice in the attic. Mice. Then sheeps were grazing in the meadow. Do we write sheeps in plural? No, we write sheep. So sheep were grazing in the meadow. Rest of the sentence will remain same. Only the wrong word will be corrected. Some women's have come to meet the president. Women's is woman the correct word? No. Women. 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 Yes, WOMEN. Women. The next, an artist usually has different kinds of paint brushes. Now see the spelling of paint brushes. It is wrong. The artist usually has different types of paint brushes. It will be ES at the end. In the paint brushes, it must be ES. Corrected? Now, the monkeys were swinging on the branches of the tree. See the spelling of monkeys. Is it correct? Wrong. So the correct spelling you have to write MON. Yes, MONKEYS, not IES. It should be YS. So mute your mic, na? Then only you will be able to hear me. If all of you are going to talk, then you will not be able to hear me. Then next, the mangoes that grow on this tree are extremely sweet. See the spelling of mangoes, it is wrong. So we have to correct the word mango. MANGOES, mangoes. All right? Mangoes. This you have to do. Done? So in this mute your mics. In this chapter you have to do two exercises, that means rewrite the sentences and the exercise that we have done beforehand, that means the word exercise. PDF I'm going to give you, that if you have missed anything out then you can do it using PDF file. Now turn next page, gender, quickly. Come on to next chapter, gender. Page number 30, gender. Now in gender, come on page number 31 and see different types of genders are written there. Noun that denotes a male person or animal, it is known as the masculine gender. Now genders are of different types. First is masculine gender. So the noun that denotes a male person or animal, it is known as masculine gender. Noun that denotes female animal or person, it is known as feminine gender. Noun that denotes both male and female, it is known as common gender. Example, parent. Parent can be father also and mother also. Teacher. Teacher can be a lady teacher or a male teacher. So the noun that denotes both male and female is known as common gender. Then third comes the neuter gender, the noun that denotes neither a female or a male. Non-living thing is denoted as neuter gender. So after doing number exercise on a fresh page, you are going to put heading gender, and below it you are going to write these points which are given on page number 31. Put a tick mark. Masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, neuter gender. These 4 points you have to write under the heading gender. After you write these 4 points, then you have to do the exercise which we are going to discuss right now. Okay? So first exercise, page number 30. First exercise, page number 30. We have to change the gender. Where the female gender is given, feminine is given, we have to make it masculine. Where masculine is given, we have to make it feminine. So the girl is more talkative than her mother. So girl will be turned into boy and mother will be turned into father. The same thing we have to do in the rest of the sentences. There are many drakes in the pond. So drakes, opposite means the masculine. Drake is a masculine word. Now feminine of drake is ducks. So drake will change into ducks. Write there ducks. And the whole sentence you can write later. The actor played the role of the queen. So actor will become actress and queen will become king. Yes. Then next, the lioness attacked the doe. Lioness is a feminine gender, it will be changed into masculine, that is lioness will be changed into lion and doe will change into stag. Doe will change into stag, stag. Then next, the bride was blessed by the priest. Bride is feminine, we are going to change it into masculine, so bride will turn into bridegroom. Bridegroom. And priest will be changed into priestess. The spelling will be same. You have to just add ESS in priestess. ESS. Priestess. My sister works as a waitress. Sister will be turned into brother. And waitress will turn into waiter. Yes, very good. Very intelligent children. The boy wants to become a monk. Boy will turn into girl. And monk will turn into nun. N-U-N, nun. Yes, nun. Nuns are the sisters. Like sisters we have in our school, they are nuns. The landlord owns a stallion. Landlord will turn into landlady. Landlady. And stallion is a masculine gender of horse. So stallion will change into mare. M-A-R-E, mare. M-A-R-E, mare. Yes. Now next, the mother-in-law arrived with her uncle. So mother-in-law will change into father-in-law. Very good. Write their father-in-law. And uncle will change into aunt. A-U-N-T, aunt. Okay, don't write A-N-T. That is aunt, not ant. A-U-N-T, aunt. Then next, the rooster was killed by the vixen. Rooster is the masculine gender of hen. Yes, so rooster will change into hen and vixen will change into fox. Rooster will change into hen, vixen will change into fox. Okay, then come on next page 33, exercise B. Next page 33, exercise B. Now you have to change the words into feminine gender. Now masculine genders are given to you. You have to change them into feminine genders. Shepherd will change into shepherdess. Same spelling will be there. You have to add only E-double-S. Bachelor will be changed into maiden. M-A-I-D-E-N, maiden. M-A-I-D-E-N, maiden. I'm doing column wise. I'm doing first column first, okay? Then we are going to come on the second column. Then God will be changed into goddess. G-O-D-D-E-S-S, goddess. Yes. Then host, hostess. Add E-double-S. Abbot will become abyss. A-double-B-E-double-S. A-double-B-E-double-S. Mute your mics. Sir will become madam. Madam. Baron will become baroness. B-A-R-O-N-E-S-S. Duke will become duchess. We have done more than half of the exercise and now you are asking which page? Be attentive. Duke will become duchess. D-U-C-H-E-S-S, duchess. Page number 33, exercise B we are doing. Rooster will become hen. Rooster will become hen. Nephew will become niece. Nephew will become niece. Yes, niece. Niece done. Then next, steward will become stewardess. Stewardess. You have to just add E-double-S. Add E-double-S. Yes. Drake will become duck. Drake will become duck. Uncle will become aunt. Uncle will become aunt. Next, Czar will become Zarina. C is silent here. C is silent in this word. Czar will become Zarina. Yes, you have to write C, but we don't pronounce it because it is silent. Then waiter will become, tell, waitress. Waitress. Yes. Master will become mistress. Yes. Bull will become, in some books dog is given, so dog will become bitch. If bull is given, then write it cow there. And dog is there, write bitch there. Stallion will become mare. Stallion will become mare. Stallion will become mare. Alright, so these two exercises you have to do from this chapter. PDF I am going to send to you so that you can do it easily later. Thank you.